Howdy all, Dr. Keegan from Life Movement Australia here again. Today I want to share with you this new mobility tool that I got my hands on. Now, what we have here are a pair of Rockblades from the folks over at Rocktape. You may have seen Rocktape before. That's the brightly coloured taping that you see on sports players on the field. Now, in a similar way, these blades work on the nervous system, changing the information going into the body in the hopes of changing the body's response. When we run these across different parts of our body, depending on our goals, we're not so much looking at a physical change in the tissue, but more of a stimulation of the receptors around the skin in the area, hoping to get an increase in range of motion, a decrease in the pain, and also an improvement in the slide and glide of our fascia. When we're dehydrated, not moving enough, or injured, we build up a kind of stickiness between the fascia, and that stickiness is what we're trying to get rid of with these tools. Now, research is limited, but anecdotally, Rocktape notes some excellent results. So why don't we have a look at how these tools work? Let's look at the two main modes of treatment. First, we have slow movements, lasting between 90 seconds and 5 minutes. These may lower the sympathetic nervous system activity, relaxing local tissue. Generally, with more pressure than the second, fast mode, which aims at improving body awareness, used when priming muscles before use and when trying to impact more chronic pain states. This time, lasting for only 30 seconds. That'll do us for this episode. Thanks for watching. Now, like and share it if you found it handy, and have a good one.